Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. We can track the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. And to do it you need to wake up the screen on your watch. As you can see here on the watch face we have the amount of steps taken displayed. Next way to do it is to open the Activities app or widget, depending on what you like to do. To open the activity widget, swipe left on the home screen and the first widget should be the activities. And here we have steps, and if you tap on the widget you will see more detailed information, as you can see. You can also press the side button to open the menu, find the, I believe, activities icon, and once you find it, tap on it to open the activities menu to see the amount of steps taken. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check it in the Zep application. So we're gonna move this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera, as you can see the whole screen. Okay, on the phone that is paired with our watch, open the Zep application, and in the app you should see the steps on the home page right here. You can tap on it to open the more detailed information, and here we have like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly statistics, also like how many times you reach the goal and stuff like that. And basically a lot of more detailed information than on the watch. And of course, once you're done checking, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.